So I'm gonna make a shrimp and veggie grain bowl, which is so yummy and colorful and crunchy and delicious. It has a grain as the base and beautiful shrimp, which I am getting ready right now. So I just got colossal shrimp. You can use any kind of shrimp you can get your hands on. And I drizzled on some olive oil. I sprinkled on salt and pepper, and I'm just giving them a quick toss. These shrimp are peeled and deveined, so I'm just spreading them out so they're not really crowded or touching each other too much, because I'm gonna put these in the oven and it's gonna take not very long at all to cook these. So I've got the oven on 425 degrees, and shrimp cook so quickly, so it's just gonna take about 10 minutes until they're ready. So while the shrimp cook, I'm gonna get started on a yummy dressing. It's a very lemony dressing, and I'll just add a lot of lemon juice to olive oil in a jar, along with lemon zest, finely minced shallots, salt and pepper, and shake it all together. That looks so good. Very, very lemony. Now I've got a really simple Greek-inspired salad I'm gonna throw together. So I have some diced cucumber and diced tomato, and then I chopped up some pitted Kalamata olives, classic Greek-inspired flavors. And then I'll grab some of this dressing and drizzle on a generous amount. And then I think I'll add some pepper, yum yum. And then I'll just stir this and give the veggies a chance to meet and fall in love and get married. And the dressing is the love that brings them all together. Oh, I have weird ideas sometimes. Okay, this is just a very simple, beautiful veggie mix. So that is ready. I've got the grain ready. I'll show you that in a minute. I just need to give the shrimp 5 more minutes to cook. Okay, the shrimp should be ready to come out of the oven. I told you they didn't take long at all to cook. And that is what I love about shrimp. Look at these. So now it's time to build this bowl, and it is so, so pretty. So I'm using farro, which is an ancient grain, and this took about 20 minutes to cook, but just look at the package and it'll give you the right instructions for the farro that you have. But it's so yummy. It's sort of like rice, but it has a really nice bite to it. And I have this beautiful vegetable mixture, cucumbers, tomatoes, and olives. Spoon on a pile. And then I'm gonna drizzle on just a little bit more dressing, mostly on the farro. And then the shrimp. And you can put however many shrimp you like. I'm probably gonna do about 3 or 4. Just grab your faves and line them up. And then I have some feta cheese, which goes so well with the Greek-inspired salad. So I'm gonna sprinkle some crumbles on there. And you don't have to keep everything in neat sections. You can mix it all up if you want to. And then I have some fresh dill, and I'll put that right in the center. Oh, I love, love this bowl. It's sort of a salad, it's sort of a main course. It's hard to put your finger on what it is, and that is exactly what I love about it. Oh my gosh. This one is my favorite so far. Tremendously good.